7 o'clock in the morning at winter time. You take your keys, you try your car, you try to start your car, no crank, no battery line. That's mean your electricity system is died. What are you gonna do? You open the photo of your car by pulling this thing, by pulling this. You go directly to the front of your car. This is the front of your car. This is the battery board, red, positive, black, negative. Don't forget to get with you a side battery terminal, use only. This key, this is the key you're supposed to have. Side battery terminal, use only. You're gonna use it only to tight your battery terminal. The first of all, before you tight it, you're supposed to get also remove plus battery cleaner, acid detector. This remove plus can help you. Premièrement, this acid detector can help you to turn pink on contact with acid, remove corrosion, neutralize acid, fast acting, prolong battery life, improve starting power. It's not cost too much, only $2 or $2.50 at Walmart or any places. Don't forget, it's not cost too much. $2 or $2.50 from any auto part. Don't forget also, you're supposed to get with you any driver supposed to have. Any driver can get this key. This key is only for terminal battery, side battery. That this key gonna help you to tight your battery. Let me try first of all. You see? Okay. To tie my battery, see? Okay, you're supposed to make sure your side battery, negative or positive, is so tight. You see, this is negative, this is positive, the red one. What I'm gonna do, remove, this is the remove plus. I'm gonna use it Okay, this is the can. Remove plus. I'm gonna spray the positive or negative bar. Negative or negative or positive. First of all, let me spray the positive side. Secondly, the negative. You see? Make a look. Make a look. The remover cleaner try to remove some corrosion from my battery side. Positive and negative. After finish, I'm gonna make sure no corrosion from my battery side. Don't forget, you're supposed to get this key side battery, terminal use only for the terminal battery. It's not cost too much also. Only I remember boy to buy this from Walmart, $2 something, plus the remover of $2 something. In total six, you can spend $6, but for the good thing. You see? Now let me show you my positive side batteries. It's totally clean. Totally clean. Okay, let me see for the positive. No, for the negative side. Totally clear. You see it? Totally clear. But the remover plus already clean my battery side, positive or negative. After that, I'm gonna close my wood. Close my wood. This is the car. I'm gonna close my wood. I know you're gonna work. I don't wanna keep my wood car open. This is the first test. I know it's gonna work. Make a look. Okay. I close my wood. We're gonna try inside to see what's happened. My car starts. No problem. I already tied my battery side, positive and negative. I use this product remove plus. Now I already close my wood. I use the cleaner only one time, positive negative side. I close my hood, I'm start my car, it's working good. But all driver, you're supposed to get this key. Only for the battery side. Use only for the battery side. You can get it from any auto part, Walmart, etc., Amazon, and other. Side battery terminal use only. This key don't cost too much. It don't cost. This is some penny, $2 something. And for the remove plus, you can find it also at Walmart or other places. $2.40, almost $6. I didn't call Touring. I didn't call nothing. Nobody helped me to fix the problem. I fix it by myself and using first of all the side battery terminal use only. This is a key to tight your battery. This can is a remover plus to remove corrosion from your battery. Don't forget, each driver is supposed to get this before you spend $2,000 in your car. Maybe your car don't have nothing, only your battery, only your battery tighter. Supposed to tighten it, remove some corrosion from your battery board. Before you call Touring, try to get this key and this can remove plus battery cleaner, acid detector. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me in my next video. Bye bye.